Welcome to my tutorial, and today I will be teaching you how to add this realistic animation in your UI design. So what day is today? It's Friday, so it's Friday the Figma. It's Figma Friday. So that's what I'm going to teach you in this very moment. All right, so here is the animation. So whenever you drag this slide, it changes the color. It fills the bar. This is the volume, and then it changes the number. So basically, that's increasing and decreasing your volume. Okay, so that's it, guys. Stick around and follow me. All right. So as you can see, this is my templates or my frames. So what we're going to do is we will be creating another frame, but the frame is actually just very simple. The idea here is for you to get the concept, or the easiest way for you to build or add this kind of animation. So let's just let's try to add a frame, let's say for iPhone, maybe like iPhone SE. Okay, so that's it. And then fill it with what color? Could be red. It's too shocking. Because today's Friday, so it's going to be blue. And I don't know why. So let me just zoom that in. All right. Okay. So now let's add the text. Okay, let me just add, and let's say this is going to be 35. The font size. Okay. Oops, where is it? Where is my text? All right, okay, let's just add number 10. Okay, so that's number 10. All right, okay, then now what we need to do next is just copy this, copy and paste or duplicate this one. Okay. Let's add 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make it like 5. Okay. All right. Give a little bit space. We need space. Okay. Then let's change the number to 20. And this one is 30. This one is 40. And 50. Oh, sorry. Okay, 50. Right, so this one now is in this frame. Now what I'm going to do is to select all these numbers and press Ctrl Alt G for Windows, and Command Option, I think. G for Mac. Okay. So that's another frame. Let's just name this numbers. Okay. Right. So now, as you can see, we're going up because we are actually masking this. And this is going, you click the clip content and voila, it just disappeared. Now, next thing that we need to do is just copy this or duplicate this frame. Okay, and then you already have the number. Let's just drag this up so we can change the number to the last number, which is 50. Okay, Oops, 1 second. Okay, so let's just click and shift, and then click all the numbers, and we're not going to click the entire frame, but just the numbers. Okay, and then just press Alt for Windows and Option for Mac, and then drag the arrow up. Okay, until you get it to 50. So that's it. 1 second. I think it's not in the right position. Okay, I think this is fine. And that's it. We're done. Okay, so what's next is we're going to create the track. Okay, the volume track. So let's just hit R for rectangle. And then let me just zoom this in and corner radius to 5. Okay, and then I'm going to copy this. This is going to be color white, and this one is going to be red. Okay, so this one I'm going to put this on top and change to 5. And then I'm going to hit O for ellipse. And of course, let's change the color to red. Okay, let's position that properly. Okay, whatever. And then let us copy all of these. And then paste it to the next frame. Okay. And let's move this here to the right side and then drag this one to its fullest. All right. Now what's next is, because we're done, we're gonna do the prototype. So click this one and drag it to the next frame, and then set it to undrag. So it automatically goes to the second frame, okay? And then this one, to go back whenever you want to decrease the volume. So don't forget to undrag, and of course Smart Animate. 1 second, let me check if it was Smart Animate. Okay, so basically that's it, and with the numbers it will automatically follow because it has the same one command, but it's the same command. Okay, so let's play this one. There you go. So that's it. So if you are going to make your or customize, you make your own UI design, apply that animation, and then it's going to be 1 second, by the way, Celine, because this was, how do you say that? There you go. It's not, it's iPhone 11. Okay, so let's check it out. That's it. So that's it, guys. That's how the realistic animation works. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for the next video. So thank you so much for your time and see you next time. Ciao!